सेकंड बोन ऑफ हाइंड इज द फीमर। ठीक है, ये हमारे पास कॉर्डल साइड है, दूसरी हमारे पास क्रेनियल साइड है। जो हमारे पास कनकेव होगी वो हमारे पास इसकी कॉर्डल साइड है, दूसरी हमारे पास क्रेनियल साइड है। ठीक है, सबसे पहले हम इसके प्रॉक्सिमल पोर्शन पे आते हैं। प्रॉक्सिमल पोर्शन में इसकी जो मीडियल साइड की पहचान है वो इसका हेड है।
ओके,
ठीक, सो इट इज द बोन ऑफ लेफ्ट साइड।
ओके,
प्रॉक्सिमल पोर्शन में सबसे पहले हेड, देन ग्रेटर ट्रोकेंटर, lesser trochanter, and here is the third trochanter.
Third trochanter. Let me describe it with the chart. Where is chart? This is
third trochanter.
This portion is called third trochanter. Okay.
And between greater and lesser trochanter there is intertrochanteric crust.
This is what we call intertrochanteric crust. Okay.
And in between these there is trochanteric fossa.
Okay. This portion is called intertrochanteric.
सिर्फ trochanteric fossa, only
trochanteric fossa.
So now this is the head, and the main point on the head is fovea capitis femoris.
You should mark point.
You should note this point. This is the very important point.
This is the most important point. Fovea capitis femoris. Yeah, but as you says femoris.
Now we come to the middle portion of bone.
Yep.
ये इसका medial lip होगा.
Body of this is called body of femur.
Body of femur. Yes.
Medial lip,
medial lip,
lateral lip, and that is the rough area.
Rough surface.
Just let me describe. This is the medial lip. This is the lateral lip, and
in between
these
not
two,
area. This is
a rough surface is present. This is what we call.
rough
surface.
Only rough surface.
तो हम थोड़ा सा इसकी अब डिस्टल एक्सट्रीमिटी में आएंगे। तो ये हमारे पास है लेटरल कंडाइल।
Yep, this is lateral condyle.
Medial condyle.
Okay, medial condyle.
Intercondylar fossa.
This will be called intercondylar fossa.
और इसके ऊपर जाएंगे तो ये एपिकंडाइल्स होंगे।
Yep.
और इसके ऊपर सिस्सामाइड अटैच है।
This is medial epicondyle. Sorry, this is lateral epicondyle. Medial epicondyle and sesamoid bones will be attached here. It gives attachment to the sesamoid bone.
और उसके ऊपर जाएंगे supracondylar tuberosities. Lateral supracondylar.
This is lateral supracondylar tuberosity. This is medial supracondylar tuberosity, and the surface between them is called popliteal surface. This is
the most important surface.
Popliteal surface. From SQ point of view, this is most important. Okay.
Then we go on back side.
Yep.
ये जो पूरा इसको हम ट्रोक्लिया कहेंगे। पूरे
all this portion is called trochlea.
Scientifically not back, you should on the cranial side.
इसके सेंटर में जो होगा हमारे,
cranial side, of course.
इसके सेंटर में जो होगा ये होगा patellar surface.
Yep, this will be patellar surface, and these are the two ridges. One will be called the medial ridge.
Medial trochlear ridge.
Medial trochlear ridge and lateral trochlear ridge.
And the most important point
is extensor fossa.
Note this.
Extensor fossa. Extensor fossa.
This is the iliac.
So I think it has been completely described.